Assalamu alaikum. I am Zakaria from Bangladesh. My dear brothers and sisters, Qiyamah is very near and the appearance of Imam Mahdi will happen soon. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has guided the last generation of Muslim through Muhammad Qasim's dreams. I testify that Muhammad Qasim's dreams are true dreams and are prophetic guidance for this ummah. I also testify that Muhammad Qasim is truly the Imam al-Mahdi, based on the signs from Quran and Hadith. This is a great news for Muslim Ummah that Imam Mahdi has been revealed. Dear Muslim Ummah, please open your eyes and wake up before it's too late. I request you again, please learn about Muhammad Qasim and the message of his dreams, which comes as a warning that Qiyamah is very near. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.